major expansion to a driving law impacting emergency vehicles. Now, you may have heard of the slow down, move over law. It requires drivers to get out of the way of emergency vehicles, such as ambulances and fire trucks, by changing lanes or just slowing down. Tomorrow, that law is expanding. Joining us now to discuss is Robert Sinclair with AAA Northeast. Mr. Sinclair, great to see you as always.
Oh, Mr. Raggy, good to see you.
What's new with the law that starts tomorrow? It's new. What do drivers need to know that they don't know already?
Well, the law is expanding to cover all vehicles by the side of the road, and we're talking about civilian vehicles. That's the case in 22 states already, so New York will join them, and New Jersey and Connecticut are a part of those states. When you consider some of the numbers, it really makes a lot of sense. From 2015 through 2021, 125 police officers were struck and killed by the side of the road, 123 tow operators, and 250 highway workers. But 2,474 pedestrians, people outside of a disabled vehicle, were struck and killed by a passing vehicle somewhere in the United States. 48 of those were in New York, and 5 in Nassau County, which is the county with the highest number in New York State. So when you consider so many civilians, so many pedestrians, people with broken down vehicles are getting killed, it just made sense for the law to be expanded to cover them as well.
You would think it would be common sense. Speaking personally, driving a lot of highways, whether it's the LIE or Route 4, whatever, the West Side Highway, if you see a car pulled over to the side, you see someone in distress, flat tire, it always causes you to at least slow down. But it's amazing how some people don't even do that, and they speed up, and it leads to bigger issues, as you talked about with police that are pulling cars over. Now, you gave us some pretty powerful statistics right there. Some others that we have here: 42,000 people died on U.S. roads in 2021 and 2022. That's the highest since 2005. Is this one of the reasons why expanding this law is so important and so vital?
Without a doubt, this high number of fatalities on our roadways is really a pandemic-related thing, where there were very few vehicles on the road because of lockdowns, but those vehicles that are on the road were engaging in a lot of bad behavior. And we're seeing particularly speeding, not wearing seatbelts, driving impaired by alcohol, and more marijuana. And distractions play a huge part in these crashes. And when you consider that impairment and speeding, distractions play exactly into this type of situation. Being broken down by the side of the road is a frightening experience. And when you consider that many of our roads predate modern transportation engineering, you might be very close to the road indeed, or in the road. So the law is helping, hopefully, to protect that. We see, we did a mock setup with the state police yesterday out on Long Island, and so many people are still ignoring the law. And we hope that the word will get out so that people can start paying attention, and that we can save lives of first responders and now private citizens.
Yeah, it's discouraging when you hear that. You set up something like that and you see people still aren't paying attention. Before I let you go right here, including New York, there are 22 states that have adopted this law. Based on your findings, how effective has it been so far?
Unfortunately, it needs to be a lot more effective given the numbers, and we've done research and found that 17% of drivers don't know about the law, and that when there were these type of crashes, more than 60% of them involved the vehicle leaving the road, which implies impairment, some sort of medical emergency, or simply distraction, not paying attention. So it really is important that drivers know these laws, that they pay attention to them, and they have to understand that the law says that you have to exercise due care. It talks about changing lanes.
Yeah.
That might be difficult, but it's most important that you slow down below the speed limit, whatever it might be, on controlled access highways and on parkways. We have a lot of that in our region.
Yeah, you talk about distractions. You can't look at a car or buy a new car these days without 9,000 things going on in that cockpit. It's incredible.
Yes.
All right, yeah. Mr. Sinclair, Robert, great to see you from AAA Northeast. Always a pleasure to talk to you, Robert.
Mr. Raggy, Chris, thank you very much.
You know I like to call you Mr. Sinclair. you deserve that, right?
Oh,
I will talk to you soon. As in